create an aquascaping, first ensure your aquarium is clean and debris-free before you start aquascaping. Second, choose the right substrate. The substrate is the material that forms the bottom of your aquarium. Choosing a substrate appropriate for the type of fish you want to keep and the plants you want to grow is important. Third, use hardscape elements like rocks, driftwood, and other non-living materials. They can be used to create focal points, add depth to your aquascape, and provide hiding places for your fish. Fourth, plants in aquariums help to oxygenate the water, provide hiding places for fish, and add beauty to your aquarium. Choose plants that are appropriate for the size of your aquarium and the lighting conditions. Fifth, regular maintenance is essential for keeping your aquascape healthy and looking its best. This includes trimming plants, cleaning the substrate, and performing water changes. There are many different styles of aquascaping, but some of the most popular include 1. Nature-inspired aquascapes. 2. Dutch-style aquascapes. 3. Iwagami-style aquascapes. 4. Biotope aquascapes. Remember, the most important thing in aquascaping is to create a space that you enjoy and that your fish thrive in. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching this video on aquascaping.